न्यू वाडे तळ्याच्या दुरुस्तीकरण आणि अपग्रेडेशन कामा उपरांत 15 जानेर मेरेन तळ्याचे उक्तावण जातले म्हण माहिती पंचायत मंत्री मविन गुदिनोन दिल्या. आरडेस्को खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
तुम्हीच पळयला, you see it yourself personally. Almost 50% work is complete, and this is all the infrastructure work which is required. The most important part is the piling. Piling is ready. Only about 6 to 8 piles are remaining. Rest 158 piles are already completed. That shows the progress of the work. The other work does not take long. All that needs to be done is desiltation, removing entire silt and mud from the lake, and then allowing the water inside. Of course, here paving will be done and putting off the lights and beautifying the entire area. That does not take much time. The deadline what I have given them, and they have said yes, they will complete it. The contractor has said that by January 15th it will be complete, and I also know that by January 15th I will be able to throw open this Wadem Lake open for public. I am saying it with all the confidence because I came personally to verify. It's only then that I can give a date. And also Mr. Mangesh Prabhugaonkar is there, who has designed the entire thing, who is the architect, and I think it's a wonderful job. When it actually happens, today you are standing on raw material. It looks like everything raw. How it will good, you are wondering. But I can assure you, just like Joggers Park was appreciated by everyone, Wadem Lake also will be appreciated by everyone. You will have totally a length of the path for walking 325 square meters. That means if you walk it 3 times, you have covered a kilometer. Then you will have benches at almost at every 5 meters or 10 meters. You will have a bench where senior citizens will be able to relax after a walk whenever they want. So there will be that much of sitting arrangement. Along with that, whole thing will be a small amphitheater right behind me here. Amphitheater is just sort of sitting, step sitting. You have a college right opposite. What better thing to offer the students, young minds, that they can have small performances in the evening. Somebody can take a guitar or other instrument, play, and people can sit and watch. At the same time, this open area is there, so a crowd of almost 500, 700 can watch the program. Again, to make this commercially viable, we have proposed about 4 commercial outlets which will be there, provided under the basement of the amphitheater. So the whole thing will become viable to run. With that money, the maintenance will be possible. Many times what happens, you build so many good facilities, you are not able to maintain. So even that we have taken care. There is Ganesh idol immersion done by thousands and thousands of people. You know, from people whether from Wade, New Wade, Chikalim, even from Vasco they come all the way, even from other areas in Kortarim, some people prefer to come here. So we will be making 2 permanent ramps. As you know, I used to build the ramps myself every Ganpati festival. Now I won't have to do that. I am giving a beautiful permanent ramp which will be very strong, and it will also look nice. It will not just be a ramp. We used to have difficulty into decorating the whole thing, putting a red carpet, putting shamiana. It will always be there. And during other seasons, people can just go on the ramp and enjoy the stream. Besides that, we will introduce some amount of sports. As you know, the naval cadets come here with their small boats to do some sort of boating. But I want to introduce boating for the general citizens also. So that also will be like earning income for some people. At the same time, it will be relaxation for citizens.